Design, classic Porsche DNA with futuristic electric styling. Luxury, leather-free interiors with premium recycled materials. Range, around 300 miles per charge. The Taycan Turbo S proves Porsche can electrify performance without losing its soul. Performance, dual motor setup with 500+ horsepower. Design, sleek executive styling, aerodynamic enhancements. Luxury, spacious interiors with massage, ventilation and high-end infotainment. Range, 350+ miles estimated. Audi's e-tron sedan is built for executives who want sustainability without compromise. Electrification. All major brands are now focused on electric platforms. Sustainability, use of recycled vegan-friendly materials in interiors, tech integration, AI, augmented reality displays, and autonomous driving. Personalization, cars designed with fully customizable interiors. Performance meets comfort, balancing blistering acceleration with serene comfort. Luxury sedans in 2025 aren't just about transport, they're about living in a moving piece of art. By 2030, luxury sedans will integrate solid-state batteries, fully autonomous driving and even holographic displays. Interiors may evolve into wellness spaces offering health monitoring, entertainment and ultra-customized comfort. The luxury sedans of today are shaping the future of how we travel, with elegance, power and sustainability. By LMKWLGIO TBQSN, Luxury Sports Coupes of 2025. WL Ultra Luxury Electric SUVs, luxury on the trails. Expect more plush interiors and cutting-edge tech even in vehicles designed for tough terrain. The 25's off-road super SUVs show that adventure doesn't have to mean sacrificing luxury or comfort. The future of off-road super SUVs will be defined by more efficient hybrid powertrains, electric drivetrains for zero emissions, and even smarter tech for superior performance on any terrain. Automakers will continue to blend extreme off-road ability with unrivaled luxury, pushing the boundaries of both innovation and comfort. Off-road SUVs will no longer be just for adventurers, they will be for those who want to experience the world's wildest places in style and comfort.